So I just picked up some wheels from Redemption Fingerboards. They make abstract wheels, but yeah, I got a bunch of these. These are the B stocks that I got for free because of one of their sales they did. So yeah, be sure to be on the lookout for when they do huge sales. But I'm going to be setting up these mini conical wheels. They're like 6.7 millimeters by 5, I believe. But I wanted to try some smaller wheels out, and most of those are all different sizes and shapes. But I'll be setting it up on this chems deck with Indy trucks, Joy Colt Indies. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little review of these wheels compared to what I've used in the past. So I just picked up another package from Run It Back that had some mini abstract wheels on it, and so far I'm liking those. But yeah, I haven't tried many wheels out, but those felt just amazing. And abstract wheels are like $30 or so. You can get custom ones as well that cost more, but these ones I'm setting up right now were $30, and they're just their normal A stock wheels. But yeah, I've only been fingerboarding for like 2 months now, so I can't compare them to a ton of wheels. But I have tried Teak Apex wheels and a set of Blue wheels and Dude Guy F3s, and the other abstract wheels in my other setup, they're like slightly harder I guess than the Dude Guy F3s, but yeah, the squeak on them is really nice. But yeah, these feel great already. I haven't tried small wheels on these. Just the F3s is all I've used for wheels on this setup, but that looks pretty sick. It is kind of crazy how small those wheels are, but I still don't think they look bad on them. Yeah, these are pretty sweet. I want to get some decks that would look cool on these wheels. I was pretty excited to get both of those colors. But yeah, shout out to Redemption Fingerboards. Their customer service was great. I had some questions and they responded pretty quickly, so I was happy about that. Yeah, these feel pretty good. They are slightly harder, I'd say, than the Dude Guy F3s. But yeah, they roll super smooth. I don't think there's no free spin, which, I mean, I don't mind. I don't really have a preference for that, but that's the same on the Dude Guys. They roll on their own pretty far, but while riding them, that's the most important thing, and they just feel fantastic. So I'm super stoked on this purchase. But I might throw some clips in of me using this setup, and yeah, but I think these wheels are just fantastic for the price. I don't know if there's even another wheel company that makes affordable wheels that are this high quality. So I know Entity wheels or something like that, made by Muck. Those are $10, and they might be urethane wheels. I'm not even sure what these are. I think they're their standard urethane compound or whatever. But yeah, these things are sick. But yeah, I'll throw some clips in, and yeah, see you guys later. So I've used this setup for a little bit now, and right off the bat, I'd say these are going to be my new go-to wheels on this setup. I really enjoy the size and shape of these. I don't know if you can see that well, but yeah, the shape on them is great, and also it looks a little bit cleaner on this deck, or on these trucks, because the nut right here on the dude guys, wheels would overhang a little bit, and I think it just looks a little cleaner having them perfectly flat like that. But I really enjoy these wheels. They definitely, compared to my dude guys, and yeah, they roll extremely smooth. I don't know, they're definitely top of the line wheels, but yeah, these things are sick. And for the price, nothing beats it. There's no chance. But yeah, I'm gonna be rocking this setup for a while now. I'm sure of it, but I'm yet to try out the other size wheels I got and shapes. But yeah, I also enjoy these minis that I got on this one. They're like 7.2 millimeters by 5, but yeah, they're sick. But yeah, if you want to check out Redemption Fingerboard's Instagram, I'll share it on screen somewhere, and yeah, go check out their website if you want to buy something. But yeah, these are definitely amazing wheels for the price. Yeah, stay tapped into his Instagram if you want to come up on some crazy deals. I got a whole bunch of those B stock sets for free, and I think he does that pretty often. So, but yeah, thanks for watching. You guys can check out my other videos on screen somewhere right here, and thanks for watching. See you guys.